this we need feta cheese, red onions. You can use white, but I think the red onions bring some color to this. Then you need rosemary, basil, olive oil, thyme, red tomatoes, black olives, salt, and garlic. Now what we're gonna do, preheat the oven 350. You take the feta cheese and you're gonna cut it like this. Like this. Now you're gonna take the glass sheet and you're gonna put the feta cheese right here, like this. Now what you're gonna do, you take the basil and rosemary and you sprinkle. It depends how much you want. Now you're gonna put rosemary. Then you're gonna put some garlic. I cut the garlic already. I've shredded. So you put the garlic like this. Can you see this? Make sure it's go everywhere. Now you're gonna take the olives. I cut the olives in the half. Now you're gonna just drop it like this. This. Now you take the tomatoes, I cut it in the half too. It's a cherry tomatoes. Just chop like this. Now you're gonna take onions, red onions. I cut it like this. Make sure you squeeze them a little bit so they can be like this. So just put it right here. Like this. And a little bit salt. Don't put it too much because the feta cheese is already salted. And now you take this, the thyme. Will be enough. So much. I'm just gonna put it like this. Make sure they're gonna be right here with olive oil. When I put the olive oil, so they can fry a little bit too. And you put a lot of olive oil. I mean olive oil, sorry. So that's how it's look like. And you put this in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, here we go, it's look like this. The cheese, feta cheese is so soft and smells good. Now I'm gonna try it. Get some tomato, some olive, some onion and garlic. Put some feta cheese. Smells good. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. And thank you for watching and enjoy.